Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious iced tea at home. First, select your preferred tea type, like a robust black tea or a refreshing green tea. For every 8 ounces of water, you'll want to use 1 tea bag or 1 teaspoon of loose leaf tea. Steep your tea in hot water for about 3 to 5 minutes, ensuring a strong, flavorful brew that will stand up to chilling. Once your tea has finished steeping, let it cool down to room temperature. This prevents cloudiness when you add ice. If you like your tea sweet, now is the perfect time to add your sweetener. Whether it's granulated sugar, a touch of honey, or a simple syrup, stir it in while the tea is still warm. This ensures it dissolves completely, giving you a perfectly balanced sweetness throughout. Now for the final steps to a refreshing glass of iced tea. Grab a large pitcher or your favorite glass and fill it generously with ice cubes. Slowly pour your cooled, sweetened tea over the ice. This rapid chilling helps prevent overdilution and keeps your tea crisp. Adjust the amount of ice to achieve your desired strength. For an extra touch, add a slice of fresh lemon or a sprig of mint. To ensure your iced tea is always top-notch, here are a few extra tips. Using filtered water makes a noticeable difference in the purity of your tea's flavor. If you're making a large batch, consider brewing a stronger concentrate and then diluting it with cold water and ice. Any leftover iced tea can be stored in the refrigerator for up to 3 days, ready for your next refreshing sip.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.